Is he gonna bring it in the van with him? He can carry it in the van? What? That is crazy. Bro, the new update is cool and everything, you know, like the construction going on and the new jobs that we have, the new cars. It's pretty cool. But I can safely say that after you enjoy majority of the good stuff, well, at least what you can enjoy, there's a lot of issues that are plaguing the game that we got to talk about. And we got a couple people in here in multiplayer to help me demonstrate that. So shout out to these guys. Wait, I can't see their name. Hold on 1 second. All right, there we go. So we in a public lobby right now. I had to check because, you know, people in CPM always saying something crazy. So I don't want to turn the chat on and get this video taken out or something. But hey, here's one of the issues so far. One of the trailers here left in multiplayer, unattended and does a despawn. So you guys can see that in the wide open. And we got more people pulling up too in this public lobby. But yeah, all these issues, I'm going to be going over the ones that I found so far. Maybe some of you guys have crazier issues like the extreme lag and frame drops. I don't have any crazy frame drops at the moment. It has been a while since I did shout outs in my recent videos, so a quick shout out to all of you viewers and subscribers that stopped by to support the content. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. And if you want to appear in a future video, you just drop a like. You can comment shout out down below, subscribe if you're new, and make sure you're early. So keep those post notifications turned on because I pick the early comers. And with all of that said, intro out of the way, let's get into these issues that I would like to see get addressed, that we all would like to see get addressed, or at least improved. So one of the very first problems you can see pop up on my screen right there, can't load items. I haven't done any of the missions yet, can't load different items. That always pops up in an open lobby, even when it's a private one. As long as you have other people in the room, you can't like pick up trailers, your containers bug out and stuff like that. It's very hard to get that bug out of the way, and you basically can't. I'm gonna demonstrate it. So I just made it to the excavator. I think that he's trying to pick one up and it's like not going on. So there it is. He can't pick it up. And let me give it a try. See if it lets me pick it up. So when I pick it up, here, trailer detached by collision. So it's not letting me pick up. So I think the excavator one is the one that's bugged. I'm gonna let it spawn back in and I'm gonna cancel. Let me cancel this real quick and see if that solves it. Let me start and stop. Let me see if that fixes the problem. This will one spawn in. Yeah, there it is. Let's see if it works. Okay, now, so the excavator just completely bugged out. Okay. So we're getting all the boys to hop in with us because we head into the construction place. So let's try to pick up a container right now. I'll pick this up. There we go. Okay, so it looks like we can load it. So the ones for the SUVs, the smaller containers work fine. The attaches fine, but the ones in the truck, they don't. Let's see if they can help me load it in. Oh, we all loaded the container. Look at that. That's so cool. So they can load my container for me. It's cool, bro. Keep getting that pop-up though. There we go. There, you finally got it in. And then one more. I think we loaded. So you can load it in the back of the pickup truck too. Didn't know that. What? Is he just walking there with the... Okay. Can't load anymore, boys. We're full. We're full, guys. Wait, can they carry it in the van? What? Is he gonna bring it in the van with him? He can carry it in the van? What? This is crazy. He can carry... Wait, it's in the back? Wait a minute. What's that in the trunk? Hold on, bro. Oh, I thought I was seeing stuff. Never mind. Look at that. Another trailer not despawning. It's just stuck in the middle of the road. They need to get rid of this. Dude, there's 4 left. What? No, they got the right amount. But what is this under my seat? Oh, so it got under the van. What? You see that thing that keeps popping up? It makes your game lag. And what's going on with dude at the back? Is he sticking out the window? His head, helmet sticking out the window. Let me drop these up. So he got the tools with him. What? He got the tools. He did carry it in the van, but it got put under the underneath the van. Bro, like, how are these guys getting to keep their containers, but I can't? Every time I pick up a container, it disappears. Look at that. Even a dump truck, he gets to keep his container. All right, I'm gonna try and see if it works this time. So we all trucking right now. All right, let me see if I can pick it up right here. So if I go to attach it, the latch should come up just like that. Let's see if it disappears or not. Alright, so the water one stays on, but when I tried the excavator one, it disappeared. Okay, another thing is the containers. The containers are so light, even when you load them up, like they swing side to side way too easily. So we need more weight for the trailers and the containers, because they swing way too easy. Like, you can easily spin this out just for barely turn. You don't even have to turn it too hard. They need more weight to it. And what else? Yeah, look at it. Look at his. Look at how his is flopping around. And some guy left his container right in the middle of where we need to drop off. Can we even drive through it? No, I'm stuck on it, but I can still let off. Okay. So I can't deliver that, and some guy just decided to leave his right there. Now that we got the multiplayer stuff out of the way with the trucks and the lag and the bugs and all of that going on there, the next thing that a lot of you have a problem with so far, I think it's kind of crazy too, how the new cars, they were for game cash at first. Only the 400Z was for coins, but the rest of these were for in-game money. That was in the first beta release, but now you have to buy them for real cash. And the truck, you can't get the trucks and the new Toyota, the Fortuner, until you've completed the battle pass thing that we have here, or the premium pass. So you gotta reach the final reward, level 40, so you gotta grind like crazy until you can unlock the Fortuner and the new Ford F650, I think that's the name of it. So yeah, a lot of people were like, come on, man, you know, CPM turning into one of these gacha mobile games where you gotta complete a battle pass. I know a lot of us are not fans of that. So yeah, this update is kind of fire, I'm not gonna lie, aside from these little bugs that we got and the old bugs that we still want to fix. Because even though they say, yeah, they add bug fixes, they need to start telling us exactly what kind of bugs we gotta fix. That's up there teasing our video ideas, but I'm gonna let them talk. Yeah, we got a lot of events coming up, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, let me know what other bugs you guys face in the game in the comments down below that you want me to bring to attention, because that's what is up there distracting me right now with all of these event ideas. But yeah, as always, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Stay safe.